each step to another. The catch: you must work hard. I have never shied away from upskilling, which has landed me a lot of things in my life. Upskilling with Simplilearn helped me to land my new role at Boots first, later as a senior director with Capgemini, and I got a reasonable hike in salary. Hey, I'm Vivek living in Nottingham, UK with my family. I spent early years of my career in India for about 15 years and became a country head. I really cherish some of my moments working on projects with late Sri APJ Abdul Kalam. I moved to the UK in 2012 as head of business development at Barry-Wehmiller. Later, I was recognized by UK government as an exceptional talent candidate and soon awarded talent visa to continue my career in UK. Upskilling with Simplilearn helped me to land my new role at Boots first, later as a senior director with Capgemini, and I got a reasonable hike in salary. These certifications have provided me the world view of business. It has broadened my knowledge, which I think was limited in certain areas, and I'm happy that I went to Simplilearn for my upskill, which gave me deep understanding on the subject, and also attend the live virtual classes, which was not available in most of the learning platforms, enabled me to clear those interviews. The course helped me to position myself with my capabilities, and hence I also recommended to many of my peers. Age is just a number when it comes to learning new skills. Upskilling empowers to choose your own path and create your own destiny.